Okay, this is a phone. Come to replace the LCD. Okay, the first thing you have to take out the two screw down here. After you take out the two screw down here, you have to try to open it. You are going to replace the LCD, so no need for you to scare to open. If you don't have this one to open, you can just force to open it from the side because you don't need this LCD anymore. You just force to open it like this. If you have this one, okay, you don't need to scare to open the LCD because you are going to replace a new LCD. So just open it. Just be careful because the connector is around this side. You need the connector, the one for the mic, this side. So you open it. If you don't have the glue is too hard, you can still use this one. Just put them first, open it and open it. Remove the screen. Okay. Because you are going to replace the new LCD, so you don't need to scare to open the old one. Just open, just be careful the connector, the one to the sensor on the side, because you need that one also to fix it back on the new LCD. You just open it. Okay. Now you need to take out the screw from this side to disconnect the sensor cable. Remove this one screw. Take out the panel. Put it close to the screw so you don't forget. Take out this one also here. It's here. And take out this connector. Take out the panel also. Disconnect the connector. See the connector. Disconnect the sensor on also. Make sure you use the rubber to do it, or if you have nails, use your nails to do it so you don't spoil any components inside. Okay, remove the LCD. This one side. Okay. Now you need to transfer this. You need to transfer the sensor. You need to open the sensor and transfer it to the new LCD. With this panel, put it close to the screw. Okay. Now you need to take out the sensor cable. So make sure you hit it a bit so that the glue become a bit weak. Use the rubber one to open it slowly after you hit it. Don't force to do it, just do it slowly like this. That's why make sure you hit it a bit. Make sure you move it slowly, you don't spoil the sensor, okay? Now you need to fix it on the new one. Make sure you fix it very straight, exactly how you take it. Fix back this panel. This panel have clip this side, so make sure the clip go inside there very well. Inside like this. Okay, then you close it. Place back the two screw you take out. Okay. Then now you fix the connector back. Make sure you get the right position before you press it in. Okay. Fix the sensor one also. Yeah. This is very nice. Okay. Before you fix the LCD, if your phone is off, it's okay. If your phone too is not off, just fix the LCD. Okay. When you want to on the phone, you press the power button and the volume down. If your phone is on when you fix the LCD. Okay. If your phone is not on, you just on the power button, the phone can on. If you try to on the power button, the phone never on, that means the phone is on when you fix the LCD. So you just hold the power button and the volume key down so that the phone will boot and on. Okay. Make sure you fix the panels back or you fix, very important, so that the phone fall down, the connector will not come out. This is very nice. Okay. Then start loading from the top. Make sure the top rests properly inside. Close it down. Make sure it close very nice. Okay. You place back the two screws you take out. Okay. If you try to on the phone is not on, just on the power button and the volume down. Okay. As you can see, logo already show the LCD is good, everything is nice. That means okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.